All right, kid, here we are. This is the Holiday Inn Express in Hazard, Kentucky, room 406. Let's take a tour. So, I have been here before in the past, had an awful experience, and never came back. So, I started staying at the Hampton Inn, and that one was not great last time. Not ideal anyway, we'll say that much. So we're going to try this one out. So we'll start off in the bathroom, and it feels like it's been like 4 years since I've been here. I don't know if that's actually true or not, but it does look like they have updated some things. It's the same building, but they've definitely done some things. The last time I was here, I stayed in a room with a jacuzzi tub, and the tiles were falling off the tub on the outside. And I think there might have even been like vice grips to turn on the water. But so you just heard that. The toilet does run. So, there's that. It's going to be kind of annoying. I guess maybe at night I'll just shut off the water. But bathtub wise, it is pretty clean. I mean, you can see here though that it's not pristine. Things have been beaten up a little bit, but overall pretty decent. Shower head. Looks like it does have some adjustment there. I believe those do normally. In the bathtub, we do have shampoo, conditioner, and body wash from Dove. Over here, we do have body lotion and hand wash. Towels, they did give us 3 different sets. I don't know if you can you can see it here. It does come through. Certainly some discoloration in some of these towels. So again, not the best, but you know what? If they're clean and just discolored, I can live with it. So, room itself, kind of bare bones. It looks like I don't know, just something about having the refrigerator and microwave. Feels like I'm in a college boys' apartment, but whatever. We do have an ironing board, iron, several different hangers. The mini fridge does have a little freezer there on top. Again, no door there, but it is a freezer. If we look here, television does come with a channel guide. So we'll turn this on and see what the picture is like. Keurig, along with breakfast blend, decaf, and is it all just decaf? So decaf and decaf and decaf and decaf. Yeah, so apparently they like decaf coffee here. So we'll call down and get some regular there. Picture here on the television though, decent. The TVs always appear smaller than they really are, I think. It's actually a pretty decent sized TV. You can kind of get the Keurig in there to kind of give you an idea of scale, but it's decent size. Beds, we do have outlets here in the middle. This is 2 queens, so we do not have any outlet over here or over there. So ironing board is not going to plug in there. I guess you'd have to unplug the microwave, which I probably will anyway, just for the light. No outlets over here on this side either, so it's, again, just in the middle. We do have an outlet over here in the far end if you got a really long cord for this other side. Desk area. So desk area has 2 outlets here on the lamp. Does have a lamp to light up things for you a little bit. Not a great angle at the TV, but these normally turn. Yeah. So it's fine if you want to work and kind of side eye over to that. And then the outside. So what do we got? We have, I believe, up over the ridge over there is a Walmart. No, it looks like it's a Lowe's. So that's a Lowe's. I swear there used to be a Walmart somewhere over there. Maybe there still is. I don't know. You can look it up. But I wanted to say up over that way there was. Maybe it's a little bit down the road more. I don't remember exactly. What do we got here? I don't see it, but I thought there was a Walmart here, or I know that there was at one point. But you can see Lowe's and Arby's, Wendy's. There used to be a barbecue joint down here, but that has moved. It is now a Mexican restaurant. So within walking distance, does look like that's the only restaurant. Although there was a food truck that I saw some guy driving up into here. Looked like he was going to try to set up something in between the buildings right here. You can kind of see. I don't know really what that was about, if he's actually selling or if that was just where he parks it and just clean it down. But anyway, there we have it. This is the Holiday Inn Express and Suites. I think it's a Suites here in Hazard, Kentucky. Until next time.